Hello everyone, myself Mr. Shivappa M. Medgar, and these are my teammates Professor Pranab Gharia, Professor Bharka Agarwal, Professor Nirmala Devi M. In this video, I am going to explain about OER. Okay. In the previous video, we have discussed about history of open educational resources. What is open educational resources, when to use OER, how to use OER, and why to use OER. In this video, I am going to explain only about what are the different characteristics of open educational resources and then what are the different types of open educational resources. In the previous video, we have already discussed about what is OER and history of OER. OER is an resources rich environment is necessary for making teaching and learning more effectively. During the late 1960s, with the initiation of United Kingdom Open University, that is UKOU, they have introduced the concept of open educational resources. This ideology of open learning later led to the open movement to all the fields. Okay. Now let us see in detail about what are the different characteristics of open educational resources. Total there are 6 characteristics are there. First one is accessible, second one is reusable, third one is openness, fourth one is freedom, fifth one is resources, sixth one is the language barrier. Okay, like this there are total 6 characteristics are there. Now let us see in detail about one by one. First one is accessible. What is accessible? If the user of any one user want to access this open educational resources, first they have a authority to access the data. That is, what are different points will comes under accessible. First one is free restriction. There is no restriction to use this data. Second one is password access. Third one is fee for access. If there is no fee, then the user can easily access. If there is no password and then is a free of cost, then the user can easily access this OER materials. Okay. Second one is reusable. Okay. In reusable, we have to check out republishing, allowed modification, commercial usage. I mean, if somebody have used the data, then after using that, whether it is possible to republish the data or not. Okay. Second is allowed modification, whether we have to modify in that data, they will allowed or not, that we have to check out. Third one is commercial usage. Third one is openness. It can contain 4 subtopics that are usable for people with disabilities and usable for teaching, usable for studying, no participation limit. Here the user disability, the people they have disability, they can easily use for studying purpose, they can use for teaching purpose, they can use. Here there is no limit for participants or users. They can use anyway and anytime, and then how much time they have to use, they can use the data. Fourth one is freedom. Freedom can contains they have to rights to access that open educational resources. First one is run the program for any purpose, study how the program works, redistribute copies so you can help your neighbors, improve the program and release your improvements to the public. Okay. Fifth one is resources. No need to go to the class, do not need the time and money to travel. Teacher is the computer, source is a trust. Sixth one is language barrier. The most courses in English. Okay. Now pause the video and list out the different types of OER. Now let us see the types of OER. There are types of OER, that is open educational resources. It can include full courses, course material, modules, learning objectives, open textbooks, open licensed, videos, tests, software and other tools, materials, are techniques used to support access to knowledge. Okay, there are two types are there, that are formative types and resources type. First one is a formative type. The formative types of OER can contain text, audio, video, images, animation, quizzes and games. Second one is resource type. Resource type can contain OER courses, learning objectives, digitized library collections, OER encyclopedia, open textbooks, images and OER online archives. Okay, these are the different types of OER. For reference of all the PPTs and contents, I have put the references below of each and every slide. Thank you.